This is the exercise clip for exercise 3b. So we have here this function given, the logarithm to the base 3 of 2x plus 1, and we have to find a formula for this function here, which is 3 to the power of f of x. Before we start, let's quickly check again what we understand from the, when we say the logarithm of to the base 3 of something, let's say 5. So what do we mean by this? What does this expression mean? It means if I want to start with 3, what do I have to put here in the exponent in order to get 5? This is basically the definition of the logarithm to the base 3. Yeah, so what do I have to put here in the exponent in order to get 5? That's just a different way of putting it. So if we then, so let's cancel this here. If we then start with our exercise, so f of x is given, f of x is given as the logarithm to the base 3 of 2x plus 1. And what happens now if I put this into the exponent of 3? This is 3 to the power of logarithm 3 2x plus 1. So first of all, again, what does this actually mean here, this expression? It means, what do I have to put in the exponent of 3 in order to get 2x plus 1? That's just a definition of the logarithm. So this is here the question mark that we're looking for. And if we put here this question mark, so to speak, to the power of 3, then this is exactly what we see here. Then we get 2x plus 1. Or in other words, 3 to the power of logarithm to the base 3. These are just inverse functions. So if I take the logarithm to the base 3 of something and then put it again to the power of 3, then I get back where I started.